Okay, let's say you are working with this following information and you want to give bonus to project leaders that are able to actualize the project with a limited budget. So this is how you're going to do it. We're going to use nested if. So for this, we'll say equal if. Put our if statement. If actual spend is less than the budget, say required bonus. If actual spend is equal to budget, we will say perfect. Then for others, no bonus. Meaning that if the actual spending is lesser than the budgeted amount, we're going to give bonus to the project leader. But if the actual spending is more than the budget, we are not given bonus to the project leader. And if the actual spend and the budget are equal, that's just the expectation, so nothing is given. This one requires bonus because the actual spend is $42,000. And this person has no bonus because what he spent was more than the budget. Same with this, the actual spend and the budget are equal. That's the expectation. That's perfect. So that's how to do scenarios like this, whether you have projects at hand and you want your project leader to use the resources at hand judiciously. So that's just it.